Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to delete or insert row and column to organize our data in Excel. So by the end of this video, you will be able to delete and insert row and column as per the requirement with shortcut keys very effectively. So let's get started. So this is the very small data set we have in Excel sheet, and we will see how to delete and insert row and column. So let's put our cell, cursor anywhere we want to insert row, and go to Home tab and insert and insert cell. Insert sheet row. So it will be inserted here, and you can use these options as well as per the requirement. And next, if you want to insert column, then insert sheet column here. Okay, and we will see how to delete them as well now. So just go to delete and delete row, and go to delete again and delete sheet column. And if we want to do it with shortcut key, then to insert row, just click Ctrl Shift plus. So this box will open, and here you can choose whatever you want to do. So entire row you want to insert, then insert this. Click on this. So plus Control plus Shift plus icon. Okay, for insert row, and insert column for as well, and to delete, control minus, and it will ask delete entire row. Control minus, only control plus minus, this, delete. Okay, so I hope you like this video and this is helpful. Thank you for watching.